any supernova.
How old would you say in linear time, like on Earth?
You must have lived more than a million years.
And I was a light entity, huh? I told you. A light entity, huh?
You were made out of stardust.
Stardust. Does the stardust glow? Is it sparkly? Is it shiny?
It's pure light. Your people are born of it.
And who was I to the woman in the feathers, and to you? What type of form do you guys have? If are we different? We're the same.
No, we're different. All of us. There's me, you, the bird, the beautiful bird with no wings. And then
What color are her feathers?
they're purple and pink with a blue.
I know her. I saw her in my dream. Did you see my dream about her?
I see her. When I sleep, she hugs me.
Oh, very good. How close were you? Is she your twin flame or something? Long, slow, deep breath.
We found each other. We weren't supposed to find each other that soon.
According to whose rules and regulations? There's no accidents or mistakes. Say
We
it.
messed a lot of things up for both our people. And now both our peoples are dead. We're all that's left.
You think their souls went back to creation? Or do you think it just took another form and still exist?
They still exist, but not as powerful as they once were.
Do you think they hold a grudge or anything against you?
He humbled them. They're pure love.
Very good. Very, very good. And that form that I'm in, what about the form that this one who's taking you by the hand and pulling you into one existence into the other? Who is that form?
He pulls me, but I meet her there. She's always there.
Is that always in this scenario as well?
Except on this time.
Oh,
After so many years.
How many years?
1,400.
And so finally, here we are, back with...
He kept sending me back.
Do you say I've been sending you back?
No, he keeps sending me back.
Okay. You're doing really well this time, though, aren't you?
Yeah, this time.
Is that why you're so zen and so chill? Or is it because you're stoned all the time?
It's different this time. It's more peaceful.
Very good.
But less fun.
What would you consider more fun?
War.
That's what you're used to, huh?
Conquer.
Why us? Why here? Why now? Us here now. Why?
Because we've learned. You've always known, but I've learned.
Awesomeness. Is there anything else that you need to let Mario know about himself that'll help him in the very best way possible in this lifetime? Come on, please. We're taping this, remember?
He's always with me, and she's always with me too. Don't ever forget.
To not forget that.
And we always find each other. Wherever we're at.
Ask her point blank, is she manifest physically on the planet now? She'll tell you.
She is.
Ah, very good. Is she male or female?
She's always been female and I've always been male.
That's an anomaly. So, is she a female? Is she white, black, green? What is her nationality?
I only see her
What does she look like?
as I've always seen her, with the feathers.
Oh, that's the only way you can see her. And she's not relinquishing any information. Is she smiling?
She always smiles.
So did you ask her, or are you just thinking about it?
She knows I'm here.
So how are you communicating? Are you doing this telepathically, or are you verbally saying,
I'm there now.
now ask those questions all over again, and now see what answers you get. What did she say?
She's crying.
Oh, why is she crying? Because she missed you? Or is she happy to see you?
Now she's smiling. We're close.
Go ahead, dude, talk. How close are you? Are you soulmates?
I don't know where she's at.
Do you feel like you're in love with her? And not just love like a sister, but love like something romantic, something
Think so.
beautiful.
We're always together.
So you said she says she's here, huh? She can't tell you who or where. Will you meet here? Your higher self knows. Your subconscious knows. Just relax and let the answers flow. Whatever comes out, just say it. You're gonna have a video with you, with this camera on your face, and you're just smiling and having all these little expressions of something going on, but not talking.
We're just looking.
What are you looking at? Talk to us.
We're looking for each other.
You're looking for each other here on the planet? Or do you know she's out there?
I know even if I don't, we're always connected. It connects us.
Very good.
So we're never apart.
Do you connect with her at night when you're sleeping?
She hugs me.
Every night as soon as that's who you meet when you fall into your deepest dreams?
Only sometimes.
What else are you doing in other experiences of yourself? Other expressions? Nothing at all? Besides this physical form that you see yourself in as Mario, and that other form with, excuse me, with the 3 fingers or the 3 digits, how else do you see yourself?
Something else before.
Take a deep breath. Feel the relaxation move through your body, and the information is flowing in smoothly, easily interpretable.
I was some sort of reptilian.
Were you a warrior in that as a reptilian as well?
No.
What was that expression like?
He had wings.
Could you fly?
Planet was so green. He had
Wow.
a lot of vegetation, trees and plants.
How tall, how big were you? Tiny?
I wasn't that big, but I could fly.
How big?
Like 3-4 feet big.
Did you have a tail?
Had a long tail. It was like at least 2 feet.
Look at your hands or your appendages. What do they look like?
They're webbed.
They're webbed.
Yeah.
What color is your skin? Or is it skin?
It's like scales.
Awesome. What color?
It's like yellow green with dots,
What color dots?
orange dots.
Whoa. Pretty awesome body, huh?
Yeah.
Were you male or female?
Was male.
Oh, very good. So you're flying around. Do you have any type of garment on or anything as you look at yourself in that form?
No. Just like lizard.
You say it's really green there. What does it look like in the space where you live at? You live with others?
They live in trees. And nests in trees.
Ah, so individual nests for individual.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What's your nest like?
It's high up on the tree.
Can you fly around that area and see any other type of,
There's a lot of nests on that tree.
there's a lot of what?
Nest.
So you got a big space, huh?
Yeah.
How many of you sleep in there?
They can only fit like 2 or 3 in there, but there's a lot of them.
Like some Mexicans, huh? I'm joking. I had to throw some humor in there. I'm just joking. How many in one's in where the one you're at?
It's like 3.
Okay. Who are they? Brothers, sisters, babies? Just
I think they're just there. Like they all just go into like any one of them.
how do you communicate? Like a hive, or it's interesting you fly. How do you communicate?
And they communicate weird. Some sort of they communicate by almost by temperature. It's weird. It's kind of like by infrared. They don't talk though.
So they send images of symbols with this infrared from one person's.
Seems like it, yeah. They send like
How many voices can you hear? One per individual person, or whoever you just happen to be communicating with.
they send like these weird sounds to each other, and then
But it's
each
clearly
sound has different temperature and
oh,
different vibrations.
whoa.
It's complicated. What the fuck?
And it clearly makes sense, though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
What type of things are you communicating back and forth to each other? Something typical. Listen in. You'll understand.
They're waiting to go hunt.
What are they waiting for? A certain time of day or night?
They fly to avoid predators on the ground, but they have webbed feet to eat fish.
Are they good swimmers?
Yeah,
Do they use their wings underwater?
yeah. They fly underwater
How long could you think you guys can hold your breath?
for hours.
That's pretty awesome, huh?
Yeah,
What's going on?
we're swimming.
How many?
It's like almost 100 of them.
Which one are you?
Yeah, I'm swimming with them too. It's like they're all swimming together.
What are you doing? And why is everyone swimming together like that? What's the purpose of that?
They're hunting fish, like schools of fish.
Do they gather those fish and take them back to the nest?
No, they just eat them.
Oh, right there on the spot. So every time they go out to eat, huh? And now you're like, hey, that's stupid. Talk to me. It looks like you're having some type of fun there.
They're swimming. They can fly high up too.
How high would you say? And when you go really high, I want you to look at the entire landscape and see if you see any other type of creatures, any structures or humanoids. Of any-
No, there's nothing but reptilians. I see like some sort of mammals.
What do they look like?
They look kind of like elephants, but weird, with fur, like big old hamsters.
Big hamsters, huh? What about their ears? What do the ears look like?
Like elephant ears. But like big ass hamsters, what the fuck?
What do their teeth look like? Can you see their teeth?
No, they're just
Do they have trunks?
no.
It's like big hamsters with elephant ears. And what are the ears made of?
They're covered in fucking fur.
Huh?
They're covered in fur. Like some big ass. What the fuck? Some big ass hamsters. Fucking weird.
How big would you say?
Like an elephant.
Oh, about the size of an elephant. Any other type of land animal out there as well besides those? And how many of them? Are they in a herd or?
Yeah, they're like herds. And I see birds.
What do the birds look like?
They're big, like really big.
Wings or skins or what?
They have. They have like. Like some weird feathers. Never seen those type of feathers.
What's so weird about them?
They're kind of like spiky. Like really spiky.
But at the same time they can fly, huh?
Yeah.
So those are some pretty big quills then, huh? Do they look like quills?
Yeah.
Are they flat or round?
They're flat. But it's like a whole bunch of them bunched up.
Almost like you can make a hut out of them, huh?
Yeah.
What's the does that feather like? But so is it more like cartilage or something? A really light cartilage?
Yeah, it looks kind of like sort of like an exoskeleton. Kind of sort of like insect like.
Ah. How many of them?
There's not that many of those.
What other creatures do you see there?
There's other smaller birds.
More normal than, or more, or what?
There's like some jellyfish type fucking things floating around.
With tentacles?
They look like tentacles.
Are they glowing or just
They look kind
Jelly.
of like bubbles.
like they're, oh, how big? Fist? Beach ball?
They're
Basketball? Football?
like different sizes. Some of them are like really fucking big, and some of them are really tiny.
How does it feel to be in a place this beautiful? Does it look beautiful in a sense?
It looks like, yeah,
Mountains or hills or what is it?
looks like prehistoric almost. Like with a whole bunch of like just plants everywhere. Like some weird ass plants.
Name the weirdest one that you could possibly, like you've never, I mean, what is that? What is the weirdest one there? Just pick one out and describe it.
There's like this one thing that looks kind of like a palm tree, but it has like petals like a rose, and it's green, and it looks almost like a palm tree, but it has like a rose on top of it. Like a big ass like rose, like where the fucking palm tree should be. Like a big ass green rose.
It's like a little paradise then, huh? An exotic looking paradise, and you're a flying lizard. Are you sure you're not 2 inches, 3 inches tall? Or are you said 3 feet. Are you a little tiny thing?
No, I'm pretty sure, like, cause I'm eating some fucking fish and some things.
Oh, okay, okay. Just do me a favor. Go ahead and describe. Oh, you already did. You described yourself. Orange spots. That's awesome, dude. What do you think the purpose of your life there is? Just
Sort of like just like any other animal. Just
survive it.
yeah.
Does it seem peaceful? Like there's any conflict anywhere?
No.
Very nice.